Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money to another bank with BMO. Start by opening your browser and going to the BMO online banking website. Enter your card number or username and your password, then sign into your account. Now look for the menu at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Pay and Transfer. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Transfers to or from another bank. This will take you to the transfer section where you can manage external accounts. If you are transferring money to a bank account for the first time, you will need to add that account. Look for the option that says Add a new account and click on it. You will be asked to enter some details. Carefully type in the name of the financial institution, the transit number, and the account number. Double-check each number before continuing to avoid mistakes. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm and link the account. Once the account is successfully linked, it will appear in your transfer list. Now go back to the transfer menu. Choose the account you want to send money from and the external account you just added. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details, and confirm the payment. Thanks for watching.